Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 11, Time and Motion. Our today's topic is Speed and Motion. Covering number 1, Speed, in which you learn what is speedometer and odometer. Number 2, Motion, in which you learn what is motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion, including examples of distance time line graph. The physical quantity that informs how fast or slow a body is moving is called speed. Speed of a body is the distance that the moving body covers in a unit time. The actual distance covered is divided by the time taken, gives us the speed of the body. Students, next I'll try to explain you a concept of speed through animation. Therefore, the formula of speed is equal to distance over time, where speed is equal to s, distance is equal to d, and time is equal to t. So, you can also write this formula in such a way: s is equal to d over t. Students, in this formula, the distance is measured as meter or kilometer and time is measured as minutes or hours. Therefore, in SI unit, the unit of speed is meters per second. Dear student, the speed of fast-moving vehicle is usually expressed in terms of kilometers per hour. Dear students, if we know the speed of a body, then we can also find out distance from it. We can find out distance covered in given time by rearranging the speed formula. That is, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Again, by rearranging the speed formula, we can also calculate the time. That is, time is equal to distance divided by speed. In vehicles like cars, buses, scooters or bikes have a speed indicating device called speedometer. It shows the speed of vehicle in kilometer per hour. Inside the speedometer, there is a meter called odometer, which records the distance covered by the vehicles. It measures the distance traveled by the vehicle in kilometers. The movement of a body is motion. Motion can be of two types: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Student, I'll explain you uniform and non-uniform motion with the help of distance-time graphs. As you see on the screen diagram of distance-time line graph consists of two axes. One horizontal axis called the x-axis representing time in seconds, and the another one which is a perpendicular axis called the y-axis representing distance in kilometers. After setting the scales of these two axes, when you plot the data on graph, you will get a straight line OA. This straight line OA shows that the car is moving with uniform motion. Dear student, as you see on the screen, the distance time graph shows curved line OA. This curved line describes that the car is moving with non-uniform motion. Students, as you know, this is our last topic of the chapter Time and Motion. At the end of this video, I have prepared some activity and homework for you.